All right, a simple little piece like this is how I'm going to actually hold the wood into these gates. So I'm going to make a jig right now to make I have to make 15 more of these things. Find a fairly straight piece of wood. The holes in these tabs are 3/8 diameter, so I found a drill bit a little smaller than that, 340, 0.340 inch. Get some 3/8 inch bolts that are longer than the thickness of this board here, so these are I think 2 inch. And then it's smart to check to see that this fits your original part. Take a new piece and set it in there. A couple new tabs. You get a little fire, just tap it out. That's fine. Almost an exact copy. Let's get the 3-packs at Harbor Freight. Well, here's what the jig looks like after 16 of these. It ain't gonna last forever, guys, but it works. I got a pile of parts now. If you got any ideas for improvement, put them down in the comments.